All right, it is that time of the year. Springtime headed into summer. I'm about to completely skip summer and go to fall. And we need a nice aqua fragrance, okay, aqua. By now, the Nishane Ege fragrance should be out, so check that out for a good summertime fragrance. But we need to unsheath this thing. Okay, that one came off a little easy. There it is. Now, as you can see, I didn't get the awkward circular one. I looked at that thing and I was like, man, I do not want to put that in my collection. It's going to be a nightmare. So I got the smaller one. It's more reasonable. It actually stands. Okay? So I'm not going to waste too much time. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. That was interesting. Let's get into it. So, strong atomizer. I'm impressed. This reminds me a lot of Sauvage Forte. Like, a lot. Like, I mean, that's a good thing. But it does have a sparkly nature to it that I haven't quite narrowed. But, this is interesting. It almost has like a chlorine aspect to it. And I know you're thinking like, chlorine, I don't want that. But not in a bad way. Let's see, let's check out these notes. I like it. It's definitely simple. This is definitely a hot weather fragrance. It almost kind of smells like natural body chemistry. The people that are comparing this to, well, I'm not going to say that, but it's nice. I like it. I like it. So you got aqua, citrus. There's that bright, sparkly part I was talking to you about. Aromatic, marine, fresh spice, and wood. I can spray this all day, man. This is inoffensive. Got a great atomizer. Now, this is a toilette, so expect it to be around for a good time, not a long time. But I think a toilette is where you want to be in the summer, in the middle of the summer. That way, when it cools down, you can snuggle up and change the fragrance. So, let's get into some of these notes. It's interesting, man. This is probably one of the lightest citrus fragrances I've ever smelled. Like, it's so in the background. It's almost as if it's not even there. That's pretty cool. So, we got grapefruit, neroli, mandarin. Grapefruit, neroli, mandarin, petitgrain. In the middle notes, water notes, seaweed. Rosemary, and in the base you got Virginia cedar and amber. And I gotta turn the AC on. It is hot in here, guys. But I like this. It's definitely inoffensive. It's definitely something that's not going to, it's very simple. This has got that kind of like that Francis Kirkjohn simplicity to it, which I like. It's simple, but it's not necessarily unique. But it is changing a little bit. I think the Neroli's starting to come through. Yeah, it's starting to walk away from the powdery, the aquatic, and starting to go into more of a smoother. I like it. I like it. This is definitely worth the money. Yeah, I like this. All right. Well, hey, have you tried Aqua Pour Homme Marine? What do you think? The more this stays on me, the more I like it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.